of that black-haired man. Now he rode into town one day upon a big black stud, and I could tell by looking he was up to a little good. He offered my baby his gun swinging hand. There's gonna be some trouble with that black-haired man. He wears a gun strapped to his side, but not just you can see. And I got an awful feeling he's a faster man than me. But I would rather die than see him win her hand. I'm gonna have to try to stop that black-haired man. There's gonna be a shooting here before the sun goes down, and there will be one less of us to populate the town. I'm not the type of kind, but I'll have to take my stand. I'm gonna have to try to shoot that black-haired man. So fill up my glass if you please one more time. I need to steady these two hands on mine, 'cause what I